On today's menu, the delicious and budget-friendly recipe you've been looking for. An extraordinary chana masala. Lei Ho Ma, that's us going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. With grocery prices so high, this humble, delicious, easy to make, and budget-friendly recipe is definitely one you'll want to make on repeat. And of course, if you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. So, let's begin. 1 onion, finely chopped. Chopping the onions super fine will help it melt into the gravy. One long green chili pepper, finely chopped. Two to 3 pieces of garlic, grated. Small piece of ginger, grated. .400 ml canned chickpeas. You can actually save this aquafaba or chickpea water to use to make a delicious thick mayonnaise, and I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check that out in a previous episode. Rinse the chickpeas with some water and set it aside. Just to substantiate today's recipe, we're going to be using this delicious spinach. Four cardamom pods. Crush the pods to extract the seeds inside. It's completely up to you if you want to keep the pods whole or just use the seeds. I only have whole coriander seeds today, so I'm going to grind it up, get it ready with the other spices. 1.5 teaspoons coriander seeds. Crush the seeds. We haven't even started cooking yet and it already smells amazing. 1.5 teaspoons sweet paprika. Half teaspoon smoked paprika. Half teaspoon turmeric. 2 teaspoons garam masala. Generous pinch of salt. I did mention budget friendly, and then here we are using all these different spices that you may or may not have on hand. These are fairly common spices that you should be able to find at any big box supermarket, and of course we're only using about a teaspoon here, teaspoon there, so once you acquire these spices, you should be able to make this recipe many times over. Saute pan, medium heat, 2 tablespoons chili oil. To make it Young Man Cooking complete, of course, we're using the spicy, smoky chili oil I made in the previous episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home, but of course, to keep it budget friendly, you don't have to use this specific oil. 1.5 teaspoons cumin seeds. Fry the seeds for a few seconds. Onions and green chili pepper. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Garlic and ginger. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the spices. Saute for about a minute. Cooking the spices in the oil will bring out an incredible flavor and aroma. Chickpeas. 2 cups strained tomatoes. Give the pan a good stir. This is a very forgiving recipe, so take your time and the flavors will really develop. When the gravy starts to bubble, add in about 100 grams of spinach. Cover and cook on medium-low for 15 minutes. Give the pan a good stir. Couple tablespoons of coconut cream. Stir. Serve this with freshly steamed rice or naan, and this recipe would be great for 2 portions. Plate generously. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a drizzle of coconut cream. You can now enjoy this epically flavorful recipe with absolute confidence. This is my definition of comfort food. Look at that. Wow, that is just an explosion of extraordinary flavors. Visually it looks rustic, inviting, casual, has this beautiful crimson color, as well as that pop of pearly white and that separation in that oil. The gravy is thick, it's rich, super velvety. The chickpeas really add that heartiness. The spinach really helps substantiate those chickpeas, and that tomato base really adds that acidity and that sweetness. All those delicious spices just melt into this gravy and adds this extraordinary aroma. The coconut cream adds a little fruitiness, and that chili oil really kicks through with a little of that spicy smokiness. The initial onion, garlic, ginger, and the chili pepper just melts into this gravy. There's definitely something very comforting about making recipes like this and enjoying it with some freshly steamed rice or some naan. The flavors are dynamic, the textures are satisfying, and best of all, this is so simple to put together. Like I always say on the channel, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so exciting to cook at home. If you love simple, delicious recipes like that, then definitely check out, pick up your copy, or take a peek inside one of the 3 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. You can also check out the Young Man Cooking merch and plant-based sushi masterclass. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, definitely do so you won't miss a single episode.